The crafting note, the crafting note, the crafting note, the crafting note, the crafting note. Hello, hello, everybody. How are you doing? I'm Felicia with the Crafting Nook, and we did this set of coasters and napkin holder in the live Friday night's live, okay, which was the 18th. Okay, so what we did a new color from Quasi Chameleon colors, and it was purple, violet, and teal. Okay, so we just dry brushed the mold itself, poured our midnight black from the Res Expressions in, and it is time to demold. Okay, so these coasters, they're called the round coasters, Dahlia Mandala coasters. Okay, and I can't find where the napkin holder is, but this is a napkin holder, I'm assuming, because I did see the actual holder for these coasters. So I said, well, you know, I think this is a napkin holder. All right, if I'm wrong, I know Mr. Eric would correct me, but we're gonna go ahead and demold. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, let me know what you think of the channel. All right, so y'all know everything comes out nicely with molds and shapes. Oh, that's beautiful. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see the goodness on here? Oh my, this is beautiful. There's the purple, there's the teal. Trying to tilt it another way so that you can see the violet better. Nope, not that way. But it is beautiful. I love it. Now the back, I think I'm gonna do I'm gonna put a coat back here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a thin coat of black resin on the back. And this looks good, y'all. That came out nice. I really like it. And I have a mess to clean up out of my mold. Okay, a whole mess. Look at there. That is beautiful. Wow. This is amazing. I have to go back and trim this little, you see this little teeny part? It's no big deal. But this, my friend, this is beautiful. I love it. Love it. Yes. Yeah, I do. I do. I really, really, really do. Molds and Shapes is thebomb.com. Look at there. I mean, you can see all of the detail in here. You see that? Let me see. Let me turn it right here. You see those little ridges? Nice little detail. Everything just turns out nice. Very beautiful. I love it. I love it. Now my mold, whoo, honey, that thing is dirty. It's dirty. Now I got a lot of stuff on this one, y'all. I don't know how, but I just do. I won't hold you with me trying to pick it off, okay? But, wow. Do you see that? All the little detail in here. That's beautiful. And then to come around and have the detail around there and here, there, and there. This is amazing that someone could actually make this mold to be this beautiful. Okay. I know that y'all are probably not amazed, but I am truly amazed at this. Truly. Like, you see all the color. All the color. It's beautiful. Okay. Now, we're going to try to get this out and done. Oh my, that's pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. I like it. Let's sit it right there. And this is the middle. Beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. And then we have the other side, which is also beautiful. Now, okay, like I said, I think that this is a napkin holder. I could be wrong, okay? But I don't think it's a holder for the coasters. There's just, I just don't think that. Okay, I'm just setting them in here. We're trying to set them in here to see how well they fit for someone who do want to take it as a coaster holder. Okay. Now, this is the way it fits. It can work. It definitely can work as a coaster holder, but I think it is a napkin holder because I saw the coaster holder and it has the nice feet on it and everything. But I'm gonna put this together. Let's see, turn that around on the outside. So I have some glue. All right, I have some glue because y'all know I'm out of my UV resin. So I'm gonna take it. I think I want to take it from this edge here. I'm gonna put me just some dots along the way. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna come here and try to make sure that I am all the way on the right spots here. Just let it sit just like that. It's nice. Getting my hand stuck to it though. And I dropped my glue. Okay. So it could have went up a little bit more, but I'm not mad at it. All right. So then we're gonna take some glue on the other side. And I'm just dabbing. Dab, dab, dab. Oh, you must be about out. I got lots of these in the house I need to bring outside. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this one and lay it here nicely, really quickly, because this glue do not play. Okay. It's laid. Turn it on its side. Okay. Here. So I have it all sitting up. And it's nice. It's nice. I did put my design on the outside so that you can see on the outside how it is. This is a little bit soft, okay? Let me forewarn you, it's a little soft, but that's that. We can put them in there standing straight up. Okay, they're not gonna want to roll. They're just gonna be nice and sit there. Okay, so there's a little room still, and this is nice. Okay, it is nice. Let's see, can I pick this up? without having a mess. You can see there. You see, that's beautiful. It's real beautiful. Now, being that this is still a little bendy, okay, it's not really soft, but it is bendy, I'm going to go ahead and remove them because I do not want them to stick like that. Okay. Let's set that to the side. Make sure that I have it really straight. My mouth is so dry. Ooh, honey. Okay, we're going to leave that sitting just like that so everything will be nice and straight. Looks good. And I did one more thing. I did a little box, little black box, storage box. So I'll go ahead and take this out too. I did this on the live last night with the extra resin that we had. This is also a little soft too, bendy. Okay. Make it get its shape back. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. This does not come with molds and shapes. This is just something I had sitting out because anytime I have extra resin, I like to have something nearby that I can put the extra resin in instead of wasting it. Okay. So, I'm getting this demolded. And little box. Little storage box. Okay. Just simple old box. Just a simple old box. But, you know, have something close by so that you can, you know, put things, you won't waste your resin. All right. So I held you all long enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did enjoy taking it out. I enjoyed seeing what this came out to be. I love it. It doesn't need anything except another coat back here because I don't want it just to look like this. I don't. So I will be following up on that. I'm not going to do it today, but I will be doing it because this is a nice set. It is. It's a very beautiful set. I think I'm going to have to get the coaster holder. I think so. I think I'm going to have to get the coaster holder because this is the napkin holder. It's nothing wrong with putting these in here at all. Okay? Nothing at all. I tried to look online to find the proper name, but the only thing I did come up with is that this has a holder, a stand-up holder with the little feet, and I couldn't find this one, which is, I think, the napkin holder. I couldn't find that. But use it for either or. However you want to use it, it is fine. So, be positive, okay? Say something kind to someone, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.